Meet my brother's new best friend, the Bublue pool cleaner robot, because apparently he's retired from pool cleaning now and is just supervising. Step 1, toss it into the pool like you're launching a tiny aquatic spaceship. There's no cords, no apps, no confusing setup. You literally just press the button and boom, it's off living its best underwater life. This little guy cruises around like it owns the place, vacuuming up leaves, dirt, bugs, mystery floaties, I mean, you name it. It's like a Roomba, but for your pool, and way less judgmental. After about an hour-ish, it politely parks itself at the edge like, I'm done, come get me. There's no fishing it out with a net or diving in head first. Watch this. My brother scoops it up, pops off the top, and voila, Pool Gunk City. It's kind of gross and kind of satisfying. Are you prepared for it? He dumps it out like a proud parent cleaning out a diaper bag. There's a quick rinse, and then he puts the lid back on, and this thing is ready to go for round 2. It charges fast, it's cordless, and it saves a whole lot of elbow grease. Honestly, the hardest part is pretending you ever cleaned your pool the old-fashioned way.